Welcome back, you guys, to day 2 of our remote learning. I was super surprised that we had a snow day today, but I can understand the roads are pretty bad. I do want to talk to you guys very briefly about what we are going to be working on in class today, since we have shortened class periods. Here is our classwork assignment today. This will be posted here very shortly. Today in class, we're going to be reading an article titled Saving the Children. This is about a young gentleman who saved, I think it was close to 600 kids from being taken by the Nazis during the Holocaust. This is posted right on your stream. It's titled Saving the Children, Student Edition, Unit 2. You click on that and then follow the prompts and it will take you to the audio so that you guys can follow along. You will then be completing the Saving the Children comprehension questions, which are attached to today's assignment. And after you complete that, you will be taking a break. So go get a snack, use the restroom, walk around for a little bit. I don't suggest trying to play a video game or anything like that. Kind of take your eyes away from the screen for a few minutes. Okay? And when we come back from our break, we are going to be continuing with refugee. We have 3 chunks for today, and we need to make sure that we are still completing our lit circle roles. And that is going to take us all the way up until the end of the class period today. So I think that it's all pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions at all during today's assignment or during our Google Meet, make sure that you either unmute yourself or you email me. That's going to be your best bet on me getting back to you the quickest. All right. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today, you guys. So have a wonderful day, and I hope that you guys all show up for class today. I'm very excited to see you. Bye.